The Nokia 7 Plus is looking to give you a big screen experience, a premium design for an affordable price tag. The main feature here is the 6-inch display. It's full HD 18:9, which means it's taller than the traditional 16:9 displays, but 18:9 is becoming more popular, so it puts it in a class with the more current flagships. It means you do get a lot of screen space, which is great for movies, videos, gaming. There's a lot of space going on there. There's a little bit of bezel above and below, which may not be the current on-trend look at the moment, but it does mean held landscape, there's somewhere to put your fingers. So that is nice. As you can see from the design, it's chiseled from a single block of aluminium and has this rather nice, attractive colored highlight all around it. It's going to come in a few colors here. We've got black and sort of copper. And the nice accents don't only run around the outside, it also highlights the fingerprint scanner and the dual cameras on the back, and there's a thin band that runs around the edge of the screen as well, so it gives it a really nice swish look. On the back, it feels interesting, maybe slightly plasticky, but Nokia have covered it in 6 or 7 layers of ceramic feeling paint. Now that may be a fancy way of saying it's painted plastic, but it does feel quite nice. Maybe not quite as premium as top tier flagship phones, but nevertheless it feels nice. It certainly feels solid, and it's a well-built device. Under the hood, you're getting a Snapdragon 660 chipset and 4GB of RAM, so there's plenty going on underneath to keep your apps and your games and your movies running smoothly. You also get Android Oreo, which is a pure Android experience, which means updates should be quick. Nokia has also signed up all of its new phones to Android One, which means you're guaranteed the next 2 dessert updates and 3 years of security updates, which gives you a nice bit of longevity on any of the new Nokia phones launched at MWC, apart from the Nokia One, because that's on a slightly different service. Audiophiles will be happy because there's a headphone jack at the top of the phone, while on the bottom USB-C is present next to a speaker for charging. In terms of battery life, there's a 3800 mAh battery inside this phone, and Nokia says that should last you about 2 days on a single charge. Now we'll have to put that to the test in our full in-depth review, but it's a promising start, although to get a full 2 days out of it seems a bit keen. In terms of availability and price, the Nokia 7 Plus will go on sale in April 2018 for around €749. So depending on the taxes and where you live, you'll have to do a bit of currency conversion, and it may alter slightly, but that's the ballpark you're looking at. If you want all the specs, details and what we made of the phone, then check out our hands-on review on techradar.com.